What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be starting something called Modded Mondays, and then we're also going to be doing car cruising Fridays also. So expect for Monday and Friday uploads for now, and yeah, let's get to it. Today we're going to be installing these GT350 style fenders on the GT. It's just me today. You guys are probably mostly not gonna get too much B-roll and be on the tripod for the most part, but I'll try to show you guys as much as possible. So let's get to it. Unfortunately, I did miss an upload on Friday because the car part that I bought for this last Friday didn't fit properly, so it resulted in no video for that week, but hopefully we can get the proper part for that. Remove the weather stripping. Weather stripper removed. 10mm bolts all the way down. There's another bolt hidden behind this little flap. You just open this up. And you take this bolt off. Videos I've seen recommended to remove the wheel, but I'm gonna try to skip that step and we'll see how that goes. So just remove the 3 little plastic clips right here to get access. 3 little clips right here, 1, 2, and 3. There's gonna be 3 screws in here. Alright, now there's 3 more bolts inside. Or 2 more bolts. Down to 8mm socket and remove this bracket. I have this foam insert, gonna remove this so I can get to the bolts. If you open the door, this one right there at the bottom. Alright guys, this is day 2. Recommend having at least 4 hours to do this install. I definitely underestimated how long it would be. It does take some time, but we're gonna get to it, finish the driver's side, and then get to the passenger side. Alright then. So last clip you saw me was around 7 a.m. Currently 11:14. Personally, I wouldn't recommend doing this to your own car. After doing it by myself, it sucked. Toward the end, I did have some help, and it went by a lot quicker. This would probably been a 3-day project. Unfortunately, I don't have all the time in the world because I do have to work. So. But I think we got finished like 2 hours ago, but we were just really dialing in like all the kinks and quirks of the body fitment, making sure nothing like scratched when like the hood was opening or when the doors were opening. And it was definitely a 2-man job at that point. So if you're planning on doing this, do it with 2 people, at least to make sure you get really good fitment. But this is what it looks like. Yeah, most of those shots were from the driver's side. Except for those last couple of shots were from the passenger side. There's not much room, as you can see on that side. It wasn't too bad. The fitment on the passenger side is definitely the good side, the good looking side of the car. I don't want to point out all the flaw features because this is my car, and I don't want to talk about it because if I talk about it, then it's going to be stuck in my head forever. But for the most part, I could probably take this to a body shop and they might be able to fix some things about it. For the most part, doing a DIY version of this wide body kit, or she came with these. I might install these, I'm not too sure. I don't know how I feel about these. I mean, it doesn't look good, but it doesn't look bad. I'd rather keep them off for now because you could always put them on, but taking them off, I'd probably end up messing the paint up with the 3M tape and stuff.
Darling,
Alright, she's all pretty and shiny. Let's get you guys that day 2 cold start real quick. Alrighty guys, if you guys did enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. You guys I told you guys at the beginning, modded Mondays and car cruising Fridays. That's gonna be every Monday and Friday until I get some other video ideas. So anyways, peace out guys.